Hello everybody, Ghost Souls here, bringing you all a detailed how to cop guide for the new upcoming Off-White Nike collaboration, this being the extremely hyped Nike Off-White Jordan 5. This is the first time we've seen Virgil Abloh collaborate on a new Jordan since the UNC Air Jordan 1 we saw back in 2018, and fans and resellers alike are already feeling the stress of this drop. This shoe is set to drop on All-Star Weekend on the 15th of February. These will drop exclusively on SNEAKRS for European countries and select retailers around the US. This shoe is already highly sought after, and now with little to no information behind its release, I want to make sure you guys are well informed to increase your chances. Fortunately, as the days are getting closer, we're seeing a few retailers announcing raffles for select cities around the US, which I'll get into in this video. The Nike Off-White Jordan 5 is a follow-up to the original 10 collection, taking a dive into Off-White designer Virgil Abloh's upbringing, based on the OG black metallic Air Jordan 5, the first Jordan his parents bought for him as a child. He gets the opportunity to expand his design process with this collaboration. Unlike the Jordan ones, we've seen him alter by deconstructing and reconstructing panels on the Air Jordan silhouette. These are dressed with holes throughout the upper and shoe tongue. The shoe features a black textile mesh upper with Virgil's signature off-white text on the inner side panels of each shoe. 3M reflective tongue with a bold red Jumpman logo and the number 23 in homage to Michael Jordan to tie this shoe together. I think a lot of you are wondering the purpose behind the holes we've been seeing. Well, according to the man himself, they're there to represent the literal meaning behind Nike Air, quoted by Hypebeast saying the same air that's outside is in the product, so that's why there are holes in the box too. So it looks like we won't be seeing him slow down on the whole Swiss cheese box packaging, even on this Jordan collab. Now, the most obvious way of acquiring these will be on the 15th on the Nike SNEAKRS app at a retail of $225. Expect these to drop at 9 AM GMT for UK and 11 AM Eastern Standard Time for US. Now, I initially shot a brief tutorial on how to enter the SNEAKRS app in my last How to Cop guide, but the release type for this drop seems to be confusing a few people, myself included. The release type that's been scheduled for the Off-White Jordan 5 is a Leo drop, which normally for super limited releases like this hasn't happened since the Travis Jordan 1 low. Now, it is worth mentioning that Nike can change this last minute on the day of release to a regular Dan draw, which unlike the Leo can be anywhere from a 10 to 30 minute draw. So I advise to be ready 5 to 10 minutes before drop time by having your size, billing, and shipping information already pre-filled on the app, just so you're ready to enter as soon as the release goes live. Aside from the SNEAKRS app release, these will also be available at less than a handful of retailers for people in the US, and as of recently there's been one for Europe. These are the active ones at the minute, and as long as you're catching this video before the 13th of February, most of these are still valid. We have Notre Shop announcing an in-store raffle for these that will close on the 14th of February for pickup on the 15th. Notre Shop requires you to purchase an issue of Streetwise at their local store to receive a raffle ticket with a unique code to enter their Off-White Jordan 5 raffle. There's also a chance to find a golden ticket that will bless you with the shoe for free. Continuing with the US, we also have Foot Locker opening reservations for in-store collection in Los Angeles that will close on the 14th, and a first-come, first-serve release at the South State Street Store in Chicago on the 15th. Moving on to EU, there will be a raffle for any French viewers watching at the Jordan Bastille store in Paris. In order to take part, you will have to visit the store on the 13th of February during its opening hours to win a chance to purchase the Off-White Air Jordan 5 on the 15th. Aside from these in-stores, I would highly advise following the Off-White Instagram account and Virgil Abloh's Twitter, as there may be some shock releases for this shoe, and last time the Instagram page announced that the Off-White Dunks had dropped on the Off-White website. And since there hasn't been any word of this shoe dropping on the Off-White site itself, it'd be a great idea to follow these pages to be ready so you're in the loop and not missing out. Now, onto some resale predictions. Judging by the lack of retailers and few ways to acquire these for retail, we're looking at the price premium on these to be insanely high, no matter the size. Don't let the high retail price fool you if you manage to get any model, from adults all the way down discount to toddler sizing, you're looking at an insane aftermarket price. For adults, expect a resale price between $1,100 to $1,400, with a presumable price drop right after the release. But don't fret, as like past Jordan Off-White releases, these are bound to shoot up after people sell off their pairs early. For preschool sizes, expect anything from $300 to $400, and expect a similar range for toddler sizing. But again, due to not knowing the exact stock numbers for this release, the prices could fluctuate higher or lower. Either way, you're not losing money on this release, that I can guarantee you. I hope this guide helps increase your chances at copping these sneakers. I hope you guys found this video insightful. Do let me know if you're as excited as I am for this release. If you want to see more videos similar to this one, make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with my videos. I wish you all the best of luck, and I really hope that you manage to acquire these if you're looking to cop them. It's been Resell. Thanks for watching.